Hi, this is Jonathan with West Edmonton Coin and Stamp, and today we're down in the bowels of West Edmonton Mall where we have purchased a storage locker full of inventory of a store that closed down. Stay tuned as we find out what's inside. Let's get cracking. Nice! Everyone knows Pops. They're quite popular nowadays. But we got a couple. So first one that pops out to me here is we got our Robin as Batman, Toys R Us exclusive. So again, like I said, this stuff is all from another store. So we're gonna unbox them and then we bring them up. And in November here, we're gonna be opening up a temporary store. And you should be able to find some of this product there at huge discounts. We got some Wonder Woman. This is looking like a DC superheroes box. Or a DC comic. Batgirl. We got another Wonder Woman. Everyone likes that. My personal favorite, Harley Quinn. Might have to put that one off to the side for later. Some more. Some Batman. Some Robin. The Golden Age. That's pretty cool. Lex Luthor there. A lot of Batman in this one. A lot of good ones. Preview exclusive. Armored Batman. It's a pretty cool one. What else we got in here? A couple more Batman guys. So maybe as we're doing this, maybe feel free to comment down below and tell us who your favorite figure was out of this box. Or what your favorite find is today. Clark Kent, another Batman. Got Batman and Superman. We almost got the whole Justice League in here. Harley and Batman. Another couple Wonder Womans in some different poses. Another Superman. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like that one. Superman Soldier. That's a pretty slick one. Rick Flag. That's a real nice Wonder Woman one. I like that one. Couple more Wonder Woman. We got Nightmare Batman there, looking a little rough. Could probably use a shave. General Zod. And last but not least, last two figures out of the box. Ba-ba-da-da. Batman and Superman.